August 1789.
The National Assembly dismantles the old regime. The king refuses to sign. Liberty cannot wait.
August 4, 1789.
The National Assembly abolishes feudalism. Privilege is dead. A new France is born.
August 26.
The Declaration of the Rights of Man is adopted. Liberty, property, security, resistance to oppression.
October 5th, 1789.
The women of Paris march to Versailles. Hungry, angry, they demand the king.
They reach Versailles in the afternoon.
Then chaos erupts. Reine Audoux leads the charge. The king is forced to agree to leave.
October 6th, 1789.
The king leaves Versailles. The monarchy is now subject to the people. The king enters Paris in the afternoon. He has accepted the declaration and promised bread. The old world is gone forever.
Liberty has won.
But the king will not accept it. He will betray the nation.
Liberté.